Welcome data times. Nice to see you again. Today we are going to see the ultrasonic level gauge. You can see this is the level gauge to measure the continuous level for both for liquid and solid. This type of level gauge usually for low more temperature and low more pressures. So you can measure your water storage tank or fuel oil storage tank. And you can see the white part. This is the probe, and the material is the PTFE, and it can used for the anti-corrosion type of the liquid. For the process collection, you can see this is the thread, and the standard thread is the G2 external. Also, you can choose other types like flanges. For the display and single output, you can see this is the LCD screen. For communication, you can choose RS485 for Modbus. Also, you can choose the relay output. Finally, for other special customization, please just visit our website or send us information.